Hi, I'm Macy Harris, and I'm with CEM's Analytical Applications Group. Today I'm going to show you how to weigh samples using a long transfer pipette. I'm going to be using olive oil as an example on how to complete this task. So first off, you want to make sure that you put your vessel onto the balance because it's easier to weigh directly into the vessel with the long transfer pipette. I've already torqued my balance, so I'm going to gather my sample into my pipette, and I'm going to carefully weigh this into the bottom of the vessel. It's easier if you look over the top of the vessel and down at your weighing to make sure that you're getting the sample all the way down to the bottom. And that's one of the reasons why we like to use a long transfer pipette, to make sure that it's at the bottom where the acid's going to be. That's all you have to do, just like that.